Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode of Maintenance Mondays on Toolbox Topic with the original lead singer of the Bangles, Brandon Van Leeuwen. Brandon, go.
All right. I know a lot of people out there haven't been watching our videos because if they were, they wouldn't be coming in here every day with completely smoked brake pads. Very easy for you to do at home, just to do inspection. I don't expect you to replace them at home and do that, but at least I expect you to have an awareness of where your brake pads are at, not down to the metal. So what I always do is, first I put my glasses on typically, I get my trusty flashlight out, and it's very easy to see the wear from these guys just by going to the top and just looking down at the bottom.
On the other side
So here's what I'm looking at. So I'll be looking at that, and I have an example here of some other brake pads. If you can see, there's a spring on the brake pads that spread them, and I look at two things. I look at the relationship of how much material I have left compared to where we're at the spring, and I'll show you here in a second. And then I also look at, if you see a lot of pistons sticking out, you're probably running low on pad material. Now if you take a look here, I hope you can focus on that. You can see the spring in there, it's the shiny metal piece, and then you can see the actual pad material. Now once that pad material starts getting you that shiny little spring part, you know it's about time to replace your pads. You'll probably also, once you hit that spring, you would think most people would hear it, but they don't. You'd be surprised. I get a lot of pads that are all the way down to the actual backing. So that's just a little bit of awareness. Check it out yourself. Bring it in. Again, I don't expect you to replace the pads yourself, but at least have the awareness of where you're at with them. That again, could save you tens of dollars. You might have to get obviously get new brake pads, but in some cases, you do damage to your brake rotor. Unnecessary money spent. So just keep an eye on it. That's how you do that.